Good afternoon, boys and girls. Miss Frank here to do your daily calendar review. Can't wait to get started. All right, so yesterday we were talking about how in April we're going to build a pattern. And a pattern, boys and girls, is something that repeats again and again. So right now we only have one piece, so it's not a pattern yet. So let's go ahead and click for today and see what piece we get. So we have sun, umbrella, and we would call that A, B. And boys and girls, since it hasn't started repeating yet, we're not sure about when what our pattern is quite yet. So stay tuned. All right, so let's get started with the date today. So today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. So the date today is Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. So if I'm going to take this Thursday up here to today is, I need to find out what yesterday was and what tomorrow will be. So, if I'm going to think, what was yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was Wednesday. And tomorrow will be what? Thursday, Friday. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be Friday. And if I'm finding the day before, it would be the 1st, and the day after would be the 3rd. Remember, we go backwards for before and forwards for after. All right, let's keep it going for our spiral review. So get out that piece of paper or maybe a whiteboard so that you can answer these questions with me. All right, what coin is this? Can you tell me? Did you say a penny? Yeah, it is. This is the tails of a penny, and I can tell it's a penny because it is brown. All right, here is my next question. I'm going to go ahead and write this sentence using my picture. So blank and blank is blank. What am I going to put in those spots? I'll give you a few minutes. All right, I'm back. Let's go ahead and fill out that sentence. Now, boys and girls, if you're not done, you can always press pause so that you can finish up and press play when you're ready. All right, so I'm coming over here and I'm looking at my red or my yellow first. You're right, red. I'm going to look at the red. So how many red do you see? Yeah, I see one red. So I'm going to put a 1 in this box. Now, 1 and blank is blank. So I need to find out how many yellow are next. So I'm going to circle all these yellows so I don't get confused. And I'm going to go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I could have counted them or I could have thought about what that pattern is in my head. So 1 and 4 is, who knows the answer to that? 1 and 4 is 5. That is correct. 1 and 4 is 5. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, going on to my next question. 1 less than 12 and 1 more than 12. All right, think about it. All right, boys and girls. So if you are ready to answer this question with me, keep on playing. If not, just press pause. So 1 less than 12. So I have 12. I take 1 away. Or what is that counting number before 12? Did you say 11? 11 is 1 less. Now I need to find out what 1 more than 12 is. What is 1 more than 12? So I'm going to go 11, 12, 13. Yes, 13 is the correct answer. Oh, my 3 looks a little silly there. All right, so 11 is 1 less than 12 and 13 is 1 more than 12. Next question. Here we have our counting question. Go ahead and count the number of flowers that you see, then write the number on your paper. All right, boys and girls, we're going to count these together. So let's start with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 flowers. So if I wanted to write a 19, I know it's a teen number, so it's going to start with a 1. And then next is going to come a 9. 19 flowers. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed today's daily calendar review. I will be back with you tomorrow on Friday for our last one before we go on spring break. Can't wait. I love you and I miss you.